If you've got a cluttered closet just like this, then keep on watching, because I have 3 quick steps to do the easiest and quickest closet declutter of your entire life. Now, why might you want to do a closet declutter to begin with? Maybe you want to simply reevaluate your closet to buy new things and update your wardrobe, or maybe you just have too much shit. Step 1, schedule a date to do your closet declutter. Put this in your digital planner or your manual planner as an actual appointment. That way you are sticking to it. You don't want to have anything else to do on this day because you don't want any distractions. You want to do it in this one day and get it over with and be done. Step 2, take everything out of your closet. Take all the clothes and dump them on your bed. Go ahead, do it. I'll wait.
5 hours later.
You good? Okay. Now, the reason I had you do this is because, number 1, as you put things back into your closet, you'll be able to organize them in certain ways. And number 2 is me tricking you into getting the work done. So remember when I said in step 1, you're scheduling an appointment? Step 2 is making you stick to it. If all this stuff is on your bed, you can't sleep on it. I mean, you could, but you shouldn't. So let's put it all on the bed, and then you'll see the progress and do step number 3 to get these things off of your bed. Step number 3 is separating your clothes into 3 piles only. We're going to have a keep pile, you're going to have a donate pile, and you're going to have a trash pile. Now notice I didn't say a maybe pile, because we all know that if we do a maybe pile, they're going to end up right back in our closet, and we don't need any gray area slowing us down. The keep pile is for all the items that fit you wonderful, you feel great in them, they make you look great. Keep those, they're fabulous, put them aside. You absolutely can't live without them. Now the trash pile are for the items that are ripped, damaged, maybe they have holes in them, maybe they have stains on them. Don't insult anyone trying to donate or sell these items, just trash them. Now the donate pile, these are the items that don't look great on you and you're just trying to force them. Maybe they don't fit well, maybe they're not your style, or you haven't even worn them in a year. Throw all of those categories in the donate pile. Now this is where most people get hung up trying to hang on to things that don't even work for them. Just let it go. And if you're really truly hung up on a particular item, try it on. See how it fits you. See how it makes you feel. See if it looks great. If it doesn't, you know the answer. If it does and you're still questioning it, ask yourself this question. If you were to get rid of it, would you rebuy it? Would you spend your hard-earned cash to buy it again? If the answer is no, you know what to do. Another thing I want you to do with your donate pile, look to see if you have any multiples of similar items. So let's say you have 3 pairs of overalls and all 3 of those overalls made it into the donate pile. It's probably not something that you should invest your money in again. Just don't buy it. You're not interested in it. You're getting rid of it. They still have tags on them. Don't waste your money. Now, as soon as your donate pile is finished, put it all in a bag. Take that bag and throw it in the trunk of your car. You need to get rid of this immediately. You need this out of your house. Do not keep it in the house. It'll give you a chance to go back through it. Don't do it. Take it, put it in the car, get it over to Goodwill, get it over to Salvation Army, put it in the Big Brothers, Big Sisters drop over by the ShopRite. Just get rid of it immediately. Now, here are some bonus tips that people are not doing. While you're doing your closet declutter and you start to feel a bit overwhelmed, just take a break, take 10 minutes, go and look at something else, look out the window, grab a glass of water, grab a snack, and come back to it. You don't want to go through all these things upset because you're either going to be throwing away things that you really wanted or you're going to be misplacing things. We don't want that. We want a clear head. So as soon as you feel overwhelmed, give yourself 10 minutes, regroup, and come on back. Do not save any garments for any non-existent future events that you think you're going to. You own a ball gown and you have no ball in sight. There's no Prince Charming waiting to take you to the ball. Get rid of the dress. Do not hold on to it. There's no reason for it. There's no reason to hold on to something for 10 years that you never wear anywhere. And guess what? If it's that gorgeous, someone else will buy it. Take it to a consignment shop and someone will pick it up and get your cash back. Now, if you live in a place where you get season, like you get spring, summer, and fall, winter, like we do here in the Northeast, sift through your keep pile and separate those items by season. So put all your spring, summer things together and your fall, winter things together. Switch them out seasonally. That way, everything feels fresh and new again. So now that I'm in spring, summer, all my fall, winter things are in a bin in my basement. And as soon as fall, winter comes around, I'm going to open it up and feel like I have a whole new wardrobe. Click on the screen right now, and I'll see you in the next video.